operating instructions for gun power supply. So this is your gun power supply. So you can turn on this. So in this power supply we have two outputs, gun supply and pin supply. See, this is BNC connector for gun supply and this is TNC connector for pin supply. For pin modulator, gun supply for gun oscillator. So see, observe, this is BNC connector. Normally you are observed in CROs. This is BNC type connector and this is threaded type TNC. Observe clearly, the two connectors are different. They used different connectors. I will tell you why. So now here in this power supply we have gun supply voltage from 0 to 12 volt. There is one switch for voltage or current. Suppose you want to observe gun supply voltage, then keep it towards up. You want to observe the current, then keep it towards down. In 1 dpm they provided two measurements. So now it is in voltage. So this is the gun bias. See, there is a gun bias. So you can vary this voltage from 0 to 12 volts. The maximum current is 750 milliamps capacity of this power supply. Your gun oscillator will draw 200 milliamps, 300 milliamps, 350 milliamps, that much. It will not consume 750 milliamps completely. So no problem. Then here is the modulation frequency control knob, modulation signal amplitude knob. So suppose if you watched our Klystron power supply operating instruction, then you normally know why the modulating frequency variable they are given and why the amplitude variable given. So normally when the detector end, suppose we are using a VSWR meter, that meter operates exactly at 1 kilohertz plus or minus 50 hertz. So then this is variable frequency from 800 hertz to 1100 hertz. So we have to set it to 1 kilohertz when we get maximum on VSWR meter. So then this is the amplitude we can control. I will show you with CRO. I will connect this. Before that I will show you cables. I have 3 types of cables because they are not given same connector. These two are the power supply output connectors. This is different, this is different. Why means, suppose if you connect gun supply to pin modulator and pin modulator supply to gun oscillator, if it is interchanged, I will show you first gun oscillator. This is gun oscillator. See, this is gun oscillator. So there is a inside, there is a diode. See, that was inside. There is a gun diode. So this is for cooling. So you keep fan for this also. In Klystron tube, for safety precautions, we are cooling the Klystron tube using one fan. Here also you have to cool this, use one fan when you are conducting the experiments. So this is BNC type connector. See, this is BNC type connector. So cable is this one is the BNC cable, BNC to BNC. See, this is both are BNC end, BNC to BNC cable 1 meter length. So I can use this for, see this I connect here. Okay, I will turn off this because I am not set up the table microwave bench. So this it will go here. So I can connect this and lock it. So this is how we open this. See, we have to open this point, pin is there. We have to open, unlock. Correct slot is there. This pin should be go to that slot. This pin in this slot. Connect it and lock it. It will not come out. This is for BNC to BNC for gun oscillator. This is gun oscillator. And one more type cable I have, that is TNC to TNC, threaded one. This is different, threaded. You have to lock it, not have to rotate like a screw and nut. I will show you pin modulator. This is pin modulator. This is not a BNC connector. See here, this one threaded. TNC means that only, threaded one. So inside there is a diode. It is visible. Inside one diode is there. Inside the pin modulator there is one diode. So I have to connect this at here, TNC. So this connector not possible to connect here. So then what happens? You are not able to interchange. Otherwise maybe gun oscillator damages or pin modulator damages. In some company power supply they are given BNC only for both. Then maybe interchange. Instead of you are applying a gun supply to gun supply, you are applying to pin modulator. So here I can connect this. See, have to rotate. That is not rotate. BNC is just insert and lock it. This is rotatable. So this is pin modulator. See here given pin modulator. Then I will give you the clear specifications. What is modulating frequency, what is voltage and all. And one more cable is BNC to TNC also available. One side TNC, one side BNC. See this one. This is TNC, threaded one. This is lock type. This is BNC, TNC. One end BNC, one end TNC. BNC to TNC. So I can connect here. I want to check the modulating frequency. Suppose you connect this TNC one end, another end is BNC. You are able to connect it to CRO. I will connect it to CRO, one channel. See, this is modulating 1 kilohertz modulating frequency. Because here also same thing, your gun oscillator generates, it is an oscillator and it generates in gigahertz. Then again we cannot detect it in gigahertz. We have to use diode detector, envelope detector, and then this modulating frequency only we are able to read in VSWR meter. Here you can vary the frequency. This is, see, frequency now. I am varying, just observe on CRO. The frequency is variable. See, minimum and maximum. So I will show that also. At minimum condition, what is the frequency? Frequency here 680 hertz. channel 1 I am using, channel 1 680 hertz. I can vary this. See, now it is 754 hertz. I can vary still. I have to bring it to 1 kilohertz, 830 hertz, 900, 943, 986. See, now it is 1 kilohertz. 1000 hertz is nothing but 1 kilohertz. I can go increase up to 1.1 kilohertz. And next, I can change the amplitude. See, it is completely 0. Here is the amplitude. It is showing 600 millivolts, something wrong, that one. Noise only that it's showing. So now I will increase little bit. See, I can increase 1 volt, 2 volt, like that. This is 5 volt, 5.8. It's reading 5.8. And I increase completely up to 12.2 volt. I can increase up to 12 volts. Again you decrease. So this is modulating frequency I can vary, modulating amplitude also I can vary. And this is biasing voltage. It is here only I can see up to 12 volt. When you connect this to gun oscillator, then it will show the current also. You have to switch this voltage and current, that will show you the current also. I will connect gun oscillator, then you can see the current. Now this is gun supply, this is pin supply. Now I am connected gun supply to gun oscillator. So there is inside diode is there. So now voltage is 0, current also 0. I can increase 0.5 volt or 1 volt something. I can read current, see 0.7. I can increase voltage, current will be increases. So this I can read current in down. If you keep switch towards top, there is a voltage readout on DPM. So what happens when you are doing VI characteristics? Current will increases. See, this is increasing. After some time it will go to negative resistance. Then it will come back. 219, 225, 230, 240. See, it's come back. I am increasing voltage, increasing only. It is going to negative resistance. Current will decreases. Again it will increases current. So that is another experiment. We will do it next in next video. This is operating instructions for gun power supply. Please contact us for demo, quotations, service, projects, internship for students.